Welcome to my gully. This is where I was born, in slums. Our house was surrounded by people who will drink, fight, and gamble. My father drove the truck for 30 long years. And once he told me, son, make sure you study hard so that you don't have to do what I'm doing today. So I worked hard, but my English was terrible. Somehow I got a job, but I was stuck in it for 16 years, completely lost, no idea what to do in life. And then something happened. My life started to change.
Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome India's first Passionpreneur mentor, Dev Gadhvi.
If not now, then when?
It's his greatness, it's his authenticity that really got me connected to him.
If not you, then who?
One more big round of applause for Dev Gadhvi!
Well done, well done. In his best-selling book, 80% mindset, 20% skills.
And he never looks only for himself, he always looks for the others also.
I have never come across a person like that.
He is a legend.
I reached a point where I said, you know what, my life has started to change. Now I'm going to give back to the world